Right now, as you're watching this, the Earth is spinning at over 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator, and we don't even feel it. But what if, one day, it all just stopped? What if the Earth suddenly hit the brakes and everything came to a standstill? Welcome to Knowledge in Minutes, where we explore the wildest what-ifs of our universe, 1 minute at a time. Let's find out what would happen if the Earth stopped spinning. 1. The immediate chaos. First, brace yourself. If the Earth suddenly stopped spinning instantly, the air, oceans, and everything not solidly anchored to the bedrock would keep moving at over 1,000 km. That means massive winds stronger than any hurricane ever recorded. Buildings, trees, and even entire cities would be torn apart as the atmosphere keeps rushing forward. Airplanes would fall from the sky. Oceans would surge across continents, creating mega-tsunamis thousands of meters high. It wouldn't just be chaos, it would be global destruction. 2. Day and night would break. Right now, Earth's spin gives us our 24-hour day. If it stopped, one side of the planet would face the sun constantly, trapped in endless daylight, scorching hot like a desert. The other side would be plunged into eternal night, freezing over into a lifeless ice world. Only the small strip between the two, the twilight zone, might be barely livable. But even there, extreme weather and collapsing ecosystems would make survival almost impossible. 3. Gravity and oceans would shift. The Earth's spin also shapes our planet's shape, slightly bulged at the equator due to centrifugal force. If that stopped, gravity would pull everything inward evenly again. That means oceans would start to move, draining away from the equator and flooding toward the poles. The equatorial regions could become dry deserts, while the poles would drown under miles of new ocean water. Goodbye, Florida. Hello, polar coastlines. 4. The magnetic field disappears. Our magnetic field, the invisible shield that protects us from deadly solar radiation, depends on the Earth's spinning molten core. If that stopped, the magnetic field would collapse, exposing us to dangerous solar winds and cosmic rays. Power grids would fail, satellites would fry, and the atmosphere itself could slowly erode away. Basically, we'd lose our planetary armor. 5. Could it ever happen? So could this ever actually happen? Not suddenly. The Earth's rotation is slowing down, but only by about 1 milliseconds per century. That means in 100 million years, a day would only be a couple of minutes longer, not the end of the world. The only way the planet could stop spinning instantly would be if an unimaginable force, like a collision with another planet, hit us. And if that happens, we've got much bigger problems. So if the Earth stopped spinning, the world as we know it would vanish in seconds, oceans roaring, winds screaming, continents shifting. It's a terrifying reminder of how fragile our planet's balance really is. Every sunrise, every sunset, every day, all because our world keeps turning. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button, share this with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge in Minutes for more mind-bending questions answered fast. Because the more you know, the more amazing the world becomes.